Sun shines bright on J&K as professor comes up with solar-powered electric car. It is said that tough conditions bring out the best in a human being. Bilal Ahmed, a resident of Kashmir who is a mathematics professor, has worked day and out for 11 years to make his dream come true. The final product is a low-budget solar-powered electric car. He was inspired after seeing a news story that petrol prices in the next 10 years would touch sky high. This innovative car has doors which open like Elon Musk's Tesla car. The solar panels were sourced from a Chennai-based supplier which could churn out enough power in low light as well. The gull-wing doors are also equipped with solar panels. Bilal has equipped the car with regenerative braking system. Even Omar Abdullah, former chief minister of J&K, tweeted, "It seems the car could one day also fly." The car has solar panels on the body and a charging point inside. The monocrystalline solar panels help generate electrical energy. Info brief. Please subscribe our channel.